Welcome to ZoneCheck AI, our zoning and feasibility screening platform to help users get oriented quickly before moving into deeper analysis. Here's a short walkthrough of how it works. ZoneCheck AI turns zoning bylaws and planning inputs into clear, structured summaries. It's designed for architects, developers, and investors who want to understand constraints and assumptions early, before committing time or resources to detailed design or due diligence. We're generating a zoning report for a publicly owned institutional property in Vancouver. This is purely a demo, not a development scenario. After entering the address and clicking search, ZoneCheck AI confirms the municipality and checks that the location falls within a supported jurisdiction. It then provides a direct link to the city's official zoning map. If the primary link isn't available, there's also a Google search link just below. Using the city's own map, we re-enter the address and identify the zoning code exactly as published by the municipality. Back in ZoneCheck AI, we enter the zoning code and generate the report. The engine applies conservative, rules-based logic to translate bylaw language into high-level screening information, with clear notes where interpretation or uncertainty may exist. This zoning report provides essential context, and it also forms the basis for the next layer of the platform. ZoneCheck AI includes an optional early feasibility engine called Yield Vision. Yield Vision is designed for developers who want a quick financial orientation informed by zoning context before investing in detailed pro formas or consultant studies. It's entirely user input driven and is most useful once a zoning report has been generated. As the user types, they enter the project address along with high-level planning parameters such as floor area ratio, zoning context, and intended use. They then input target unit size and anticipated pricing, followed by land price and estimated construction costs. The generated report brings together unit count assumptions, revenue inputs, and construction and land cost assumptions, all based on values entered by the user. It also presents best case and worst case scenarios, helping users quickly understand how sensitive early assumptions can be. Together, ZoneCheck AI and Yield Vision help users get oriented early, surface key assumptions, and understand what needs to be verified next. Thanks for watching.